Hi everyone, this video is going to go through how to export your PowToon video and then save it in the Google Drive when you've completed it. So as soon as you are done creating your video within PowToon, you're going to see this button in the top right corner, Export. Go ahead and click that button. And then a bunch of different ways of exporting the video are going to come up. For this project, I would like you to download it as a PDF. So you're going to click that button and keep everything how it is here. Make sure your category is education and click the blue button at the bottom. Then you're going to click download PowToon. And a message is going to come up at the top here that says your PowToon has been published. You will be notified by email when your PDF is ready to be downloaded. So as soon as you get that email, it's going to look like this. You can view your PowToon, or what you are going to do is download my PDF file. And it's going to come up in your browser, and I want you to download it and save file. And then you are going to go into the Google Drive. Google Drive is, the button is in the module. You can click that, and it'll bring you right here. Click New, File Upload. And then if I go to Downloads, I see right here 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. I'm going to double click that, and it is going to upload that item. This way it will be saved and I can view your finished product.